Scoop. Better your fuck, man. Ah, that's up. Scoop it. Dog, no, that's your food.
The amount of man and me fuck she and she ungo.
Christopher.
The amount of man me say fuck she and she a
Christopher.
One Jamaican slang that can ruin any child's day.
If you don't believe me, ask him. Ask him. If you don't believe me.
You do that? You wait till you go home. You're going to get
Girl, you know Bombo class.
Come on, dear. Look over there, sir. You see the onion carrot? Come give me, please. Because more hurry up and come out of the kitchen here. I don't understand why. Idiot boy, that look like onion. That look like onion, idiot boy. You know, say you come like a nalor. Nothing at school. Come out of the kitchen. Put it down, come out of the kitchen, man. Move out of my way. Because I don't know if that look like onion to you. Come like a nalor. No sense.
Yo, I can't find my cup them. I not see no plate. So any big body boy, pussy, suck their mother. Take up my cup them and me sitting. What better come bumbo clad? Bring back me something them. Ready?
Sanjay, one of my friend named Anne, said she'll go for the Easter weekend. So she asked if we could keep her little puppy fair until Monday. What do you think?
Dog. I know some of my friends with that and about just some of the picture, dog.
See a picture with him, the how him look. Tell me what you think.
The best thing now Monday for do keep our dog. Mommy, look how the dog, the ugly mommy. Who would I ever keep the dog that she like, mommy? Just tell her one if I keep our dog. I don't want to look ugly dog with a look ugly face. You know, see him look vexed by the way, mommy. Tell her one to say if I'm she know keep the dog that she had. Him look like him have some ticks or germs. Now keep the dog when I ticks them because shut up the place. No. Tell her to shock one like her, like me then. Oh, cause Shaki hate dog. Cause every time him used to have a dog and dog shut up the place till him kick him like gully. Mommy, that woman here definitely disrespect you. Cause oh Shaggy one dog for keep was so ugly. She disrespect you for keep her ugly dog. I look like a that she do.
Okay, Sanjay, never tell her. I tell her saying I like the dog.
Very good, my statement done.
Well, actually, I would have thought that. Fuck you, go on, Spencer. Just one fucking lizard. Just a lizard. Just.
Now hold on, if your armpits smell clean, put up 2 hands for me right now. If your armpits smell clean, keep your 2 hands up right now. Keep them up now. Dump this guy now. Dump this guy now. Dump this guy now. Dump this guy. DFB Precious, hold on. What was that now? Them
that, that's why we tell them to from them this, we are going to shot them. Like mosquito, we are going to zap them and walk them. You hear that, my father? And one at a time, we just have to stay so and see now. Schemers attack, please. You hear that, my father? Just believe no man. I don't hear that. When in I darkness, and no fall me was schemers attack this. Yeah, when it's artists, you know thing going on, my father. Don't say one part. You hear that? Hey, cause we done so. And from them this a headshot and blood that jump out. A choppy lines up. You just know nothing, you know you. Hey, oh, that's on my father that done.
Wicked man, don't say Batman.
Don't see no my father.
One push, yes. Yes. One push. Passing Jude.
Now we are entertained.
You see the sea, you know say we under it. I'm a crab but your girl want this sausage. Seen your fit panigram, that is not it. Why the prince want a girl with fish crutches? I may say any mini more, take your girl to a show. She a jump on the line, she a swing on the road. Why you wanna be a human, life really hard. If you stay under the scene, if you turn higher, hey, you're aerial. Anybody mess with you a burial. Tell them say you're brave, you're not scary, girl. Call King Triton fi air it out, him we air it out.
When they said come in, they don't bite.
Don't tell me that, brother.
Bro, listen to me now, man. God make you all you want, make you chargy. Black is beautiful.
Don't tell me that, brother. Remember, say charges say if you're black, you stay at the back, you know. If you're brown, you stick around. If you're white, you're alright.
But God no like that, me
Caro white, Neprazone gel, Idol.
Black is
Don't
beautiful.
play with me, brother. Give me 2 weeks. Don't tell me nothing, don't tell me nothing, man.
God no like
If you're
that.
black, you stay at the back, brother.
I'm a clean and white, so oh, I know what me use now. The persona, I hit that locking for this and white like Michael Jackson.
This is what I wanna say.
Let me show you one of my new moves. I'm learning a karate class today. Alright, but don't lick me, you know. Oh, God. Yo, yeah, if don't lick. Boom, boom. Oh, clat, I'm going in here. I walk right. No, mommy, I look ramping, man. I look ramping. Hey, you know, behave for yourself, you know. Behave for yourself. I lie, mommy. Him kill up my face. Fuck him up. Mommy.